What we got here? Good old 3.6 Pentastar with the ticking noise. And right here, she's loose. Jam lobe looks all right. I'll just pull this one out and see how it looks on the bottom. Look at that. It doesn't touch the finger. Got all the rocker arms soaking up over here. And some oil. Gonna place them. Oh yeah. Camshaft looks good. Got a failed lifter. And a failed rocker arm. Where'd it go? There it is. You can see it. It moves up and down. Camshaft's good though. No serious wear on it. Got lucky. Saved myself 500 bucks. Man. What a bad design of an engine. Okay. All right, so cams are back in. All new rockers and one new lifter on this side. The back side wasn't making noise. So, yeah, let's get this all back together and fire it up and see how it sounds. One more tick. Cool. I don't have a before video of it ticking, so I'll take my word for it. Pretty cool. Not that bad of a job. Do not recommend getting this toolkit from Amazon. I know this is their best seller, but either it could have been me or the tool's not wide enough, but this one to keep slipping off the timing chain when I had it on the inserted to put slack for the chain to remove the cam phasers. But maybe a better tool. Other than that, the rest of the tools were good, and these are the rocker arms that I use with the JB7525 from, I got these out of Riley's. So I'm going to change the Earls. Go for the drive. Oh yes, what a beautiful day. Oh God, thank goodness I bought this under hood light from the Hobo Freight. Helped a little bit. Yeah. All right, good deal.